Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Git in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, let's get started by logging into Hostinger. After logging in, you should be directed to your hPanel dashboard where all the magic happens. With that set up, navigate over to the website section in hPanel. Once there, you'll see a list of your websites. Find the particular site you want to work with and click Dashboard next to it. This is where you can control all the settings and configurations for your website. Now, go to left side and click on Advanced section. From here, click on Git to proceed to the Git Manager. This is going to be your primary tool for managing your Git repositories within Hostinger. Next up, let's create your Git repository. Here, you'll need to fill in a few key details. First, provide a name for your repository. While this can be anything you prefer, something descriptive like my project works well for easy reference. Now, specify your deployment directory. This is typically set to public HTML or a specific subfolder where you want your files to be deployed. Finally, determine the branch you wish to deploy, often the main or master branch, unless your project setup specifies otherwise. Once all these fields are completed, go ahead and click Create. This adds your repository to the list within your Git Manager. After the creation process, you'll notice your repository listed on the page. To fetch and deploy the latest version from your Git repository, click the Pull button. This action will synchronize your specified deployment directory with the newest updates from your remote repository, ensuring your website is current and functioning as intended. And there you have it. So that is how you can set up Git in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.